The excavator's hydraulic rod was struck by a rock, causing it to bend and deform. It was no longer usable and had to be discarded. But in Pakistan, they were able to repair the damaged hydraulic rod. It was quite miraculous. The master began inspecting the damaged hydraulic rod. The hydraulic rod had to be removed to further determine the repair plan. Since the cylinder head was severely deformed, even the screws were difficult to remove. Using the Pythagorean theorem and Archimedes' principle, the master finally unscrewed them. But the real challenge had just begun. How to extract the hydraulic rod. The master tried to pull out the hydraulic rod with force, but it didn't budge. So they used a puller in combination with a sledgehammer, striking it 100 times, leaving everyone exhausted, and the hydraulic rod still didn't move. Then the master took more extreme measures. They brought in 2 excavators, fixed one end of the hydraulic rod to one excavator, and the other end to the other. Then they moved the excavators backward, easily pulling out the hydraulic rod. Next, they had to repair the hydraulic rod to avoid breaking it due to its high hardness during straightening. The master had to heat it. Heating reduces hardness, preventing deformation or cracking. After heating it to a certain temperature, it was quickly moved to the workbench and straightened with a hydraulic press before cooling. This step required the master's exquisite skill to ensure the angle and position were corrected perfectly. During the straightening of the hydraulic rod, to deal with the natural rebound of the material, the master suspended the hydraulic rod. Throughout the straightening process, the master had to adjust very carefully to ensure the precision of the repair. After several pressings, the hydraulic rod gradually